Hello, my name is Laura. I live in my van that I converted myself, and I travel with Snufkin and my 2 guinea pigs. So why don't you join me on my adventures? Here on my channel, Destination Unknown. So my next Harry Potter location, this is Dumbledore's grave. This is where they filmed, where the tomb was for Dumbledore, and there's even a little sign that says it in there. But this is not a very good tourist bit. There's like nowhere to park. A little tiny lay-by that I'm hoping I'm not going to get stuck in, so I can get out, and it's literally a bog you have to walk through to get here. It is so wet. So I'm excited to show you my next Harry Potter location. So this is the next day, and I'm pretty sure you will recognise it. Like, it's pretty iconic. Yeah. third, but certainly not least, Harry Potter location. The train. Just hiked up the hill. Excuse my breath. So it is really cool to see, but I'm a bit miffed that I had to pay £6 to park. It was £6 for campers, motorhomes, £3.50 for cars. It's like, I just wanted to go here, take some pictures and then carry on. Like, they should really have literally like a couple of hours pay, not an all day payment of £6. There's so much money. So a normal train just went by and I was like, oh, it's a train, and I was waving. So they actually like did the horn thing for me. That was fun. So you also might recognise that this is the lake from many of the films where Harry flies over the lake with Buckbeak, and it's often in like the intro, and I'm pretty sure the castle is superimposed into the right side of it up there in the hills. Feeling better, Snappy? Yeah, you want that? Okay. So you can hear the wind and the rain. I've parked up next to Ben Nevis because I was going to try and hike up it in the morning, but the storm has followed me and I think I'm going to have to go and find shelter because it's awful. I ended up parking next to a big shop.